Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're told at Washington High School, we have randomly selected freshmen, sophomore, junior, and senior students for a survey about potential changes to the next year's schedule. Of the students selected for the survey, a quarter were freshmen, a third were sophomores, and we're told half the remaining selected students were juniors. So if we look at the total, that's going to be the freshmen plus the sophomores plus the juniors plus the seniors. And we're told that our total is 336. The freshman is 1/4 of that survey, so 1/4 of 336. Our sophomores are 1/3 of 336. And then we are told that the half of the remaining students were juniors, so let's just call that X. And then if half of the remaining students were juniors, the other half were seniors, so the seniors is also X. And now we have an equation where we can solve for X, where X is measuring the number of juniors in the survey, also measuring the number of seniors, but we're focusing on the juniors here. So we have 336 is equal to 1/4 of 336 is 336 divided by 4, which is 84. So 84 plus 1/3 of 336 is 336 divided by 3, which, if we do it out, is 112. And this is plus x is 2x. So 336 is equal to 84 plus 112, which is 196 plus 2x. Subtracting 196 from both sides, these cancel. We have 2x on its own is equal to 336 minus 196, which is 140. Just rewriting that up here. 140 is equal to 2x. Divide both sides by 2. This cancels and we get x is equal to 140 divided by 2, or 70. So we said at the beginning, x is representing the number of juniors, and it's also representing the number of seniors. I thought we were looking for juniors, but we're actually looking for seniors. But it doesn't matter. The juniors and the seniors are the same. They're both x, and so our final answer is going to be 70, or D. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.